Guys, just here, Princess Auto, picking up a Sawmill. That's why I bought the 3500.
It's a little piece of life.
Oh, yeah. She's a pro.
Oh, she is.
So, got my new friend Ben out here. And we have to get this sawmill that I got at Princess Auto here, a little Bozeman sawmill. I didn't know how heavy it was going to be, but the package says that it's 1,000 pounds pretty much, 443 kilos. And yeah, look at those. I told you we should have brought a screw gun. There's little brackets on all the corners.
Absolutely.
Anyways, we've got a crowbar to get this whole crate apart. I think we'll make it work. Hopefully nothing is like bolted down inside, which it probably is. If not, we'll have to just go back in the skiff and get some more tools. At least it's a nice day for it. Oh, gorgeous out here. Well, we got her loaded up. We're heading back to the property. Let's pray that everything gets offloaded without going in the lake. So we just lost power. I think we're out of gas, but I always keep an extra jerry can. So let's hope that's what's wrong. Otherwise, we're floating in the middle of the lake. Now, there's not that many people around. We'll let you know what happens. Yeah, we're back up and rolling. It was just the gas. Thankfully, we've got another 40 liters back at the property, but I don't have my fuel gauge set up on the skiff just yet. So I've just been waiting for it to run out and adding a jerry can here or there, and this is the first time around on the gas. So we're all about first experiences out here. You got to do it all at least once. No, you got to stay in the video. So
You're not my boss, Jesse.
I am out here. Hey, you volunteered to come out here. You are officially my lackey.
That's fair.
So I've got two new laborers, friends, who are helping me put this sawmill together here. And the best part about it is either it didn't come with instructions or we lost them. So I lost them somewhere in the transporting of this thing out here. So we've got a pile of bolts and metal pieces and a picture off the internet that's not very good resolution. And we're going to try and bolt this thing together and see if we can get it running. The engine does have oil in it. And so I've got gas, so I think we might be able to cut a piece of wood if we can get this thing put together. So watch and enjoy. All right, so we're painstakingly bolting all this together off a blurry picture that we found on the internet because we couldn't find the instruction book. We looked, it wasn't in the crate when we unboxed it, wasn't in any of the boxes. We're like tightening up all the bolts here. We've got it mostly put together, maybe the right way, we have no idea. And I'm standing here and I look down and I was like, what the hell is this for? And so I start unscrewing the top, and sure enough, voila! They've placed the manual and everything in this nice little waterproof container that attaches to the mill, so you always have the manual on board. Like, come on, that's handy dandy. It just would have been nice if there was something pointing to it or a sticker saying manual inside instead of just this discreet black cylinder that looks like it's a part of the motor. Oh my gosh, that was funny. And so yeah, we got a manual now, and we can figure out how many things we did wrong and redo them. Day's just getting better and better. That was a good laugh. It's milling time, baby! Woohoo! Like under the log, yeah, and then it'll pivot on that, and I'll roll around you. We get 180. There we go. Okay. We're a winner. Gas and go, baby. Not bad. Started on the first pull. Decent little motor. Yeah, I woke up to this morning, so I don't know if I'm actually going to get anything done today. Because how do you look away from that?